Miss. Hi. Hey, Miss. I got you some cookies. Look.
I see it. It looks good.
Hey, if I get my asshole up here to this camera, can you look at it? Could you? Please?
I'm in Bruce's. You're talking out loud.
How far back would I have to get for you to see it? Huh?
Shut up.
Talk to me, miss. Would you look at it?
I'm in Bruce's and everybody can hear you.
Okay. Let them know just what kind of mama you got. Look. You see right here?
You're crazy.
Did you see it?
You gotta stop.
Well, I forgot my door keys, so I'm going to put these cookies right here on the deep freeze. I'm going to get my taters out of the freezer.
Okay.
You ain't a very good daughter, won't look at my asshole.
I'm gonna kill you.
Ah!
My mama love you.
I love you too, babe.